I would love to. Is there any requests?
Just do the ones you like to, Brad. Hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
the show you're talking about right now is Dean Edwards. But do you like orange juice?
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow. My friends call me the T, but that includes you.
This past. I mean, I feel like I'm the same way where I can't remember what I had for dinner last night, but I can tell you.
Well, people don't know what goes into making things, you know? I mean,
we could edit this however you want to edit it.
Okay.
But I just have some questions.
Now, you were just asking me, Patrick. It's good to see you.
I love the temperature controls. You know. Do you know what carpentry is? That kind of it's a Chinese.
Where does you kind of? Because when I went to your house, I was jujitsu. What is that supposed to mean, jujitsu? You know.
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and I have no idea.
my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing it.